Yes, hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the transfer of heat. Previous lectures I have discussed about the transfer of heat. There are three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction, convection, and radiation. There are three ways for transfer of heat from one place to another place or one part of the object to another part of the object. So, about the conductors, what is the process of conductions? Already I have discussed about the conductions, radiations and convections. Conductions process happen between the solid substances and convections happen between the liquids and gases, and radiations process applicable in the vacuum form, vacuum medium. There is neither solids nor liquids nor gases. So, about the conduction, first of all we should know what is a conductor. All substances classified into two groups on the basis of the transfer of heat categories: conductor, good conductor of heat, or bad conductor of heat, or poor conductor of heat. Conductor two types. Good conductor of heat, poor conductor of heat. Or insulator. So, all substances classified into two groups: good conductor of heat or bad conductor of heat, poor conductor of heat, or insulator. So, in conductor, good conductor of heat, those substances, those materials which allow heat to pass through them easily from one part of the object to other part of the object are called good conductor of heat. For example, you will take a spoon. So, if we heat one end of the spoon, by keeping it on the burning stove, so we find that its other end becomes hotter. After a while, when you will start heating one end of the spoon, then after some times you will find other end of the spoon become hot. Why? In this spoon, heat transfer from one material to other materials without leaving their place. In this spoon, heat transfer from one molecule to another molecule, one part of these metals to another part of the objects, without leaving their place, without transforming their place. Why? Because it is a good conductor of heat. So, conduction is a transfer of heat from the hotter part to colder part of a material. So, it's colder part of a material without the movement of material. So, what is a conduction? Conduction is the process of transfer of heat from one part of the object to another part of the object without movement their particles, without movement of material. It is called conduction. So, there are two types of substances: good conductor of heat, bad conductor of heat. So, good conductor of heat, those materials, those substances which allow heat to pass through them easily are called good conductor of heat. For example, The metal, all metal is a good conductor of heat, such that silver, copper, aluminium, iron, mercury. These are the good conductor of heat, because these metals allow the heat to transfer from one place to another place. And second, poor conductor of heat. So those materials which do not allow the heat to transfer from one place to another place are called poor conductor of heat. For example, plastic, rubber, cotton, cloth, leather, paper, wood. These are the example of the poor conductor of heat or bad conductor of the heat. And poor conductor of heat or bad conductor of heat known as the insulator. So there are two types of substances, conductor and insulator, on the basis of transfer of heat. And next, second things, liquids are poor conductors of heat. Liquids do not allow the transfer of heat. And gases also poor conductor of heat, very poor conductor of heat. So these are the conduction process, and there are two types of things, conductor and insulator. So you should keep in mind, conduction is the process of transfer of heat from one place to another place, or one part of the object to another part of the object. And insulator, there are all substances classified into two groups, conductor and insulator. So metal, silver, copper, iron, aluminium, these are the example of the conductors, good conductor of heat. Plastic, rubber, wood, leather, cotton, these are the example of the bad conductor of heat. Okay, thank you.